Hi, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to study Korean language with Notion. I used to feel overwhelmed trying to organize my notes, schedule my activities, and track my progress. So I decided to create my own template in Notion to stay organized and accomplish my goals. I made a functional and aesthetic design, as you can see. I will explain you how each section works. You can also track your progress in your level of Korean. Let's start with a section to memorize. This is the vocabulary. Put here all the new words you are learning, write their translation, and indicate their type. You can also find the classification by semantic field. I have placed the most important ones. You can add more if you want. Second, this is the grammar section. Write here all about grammar rules and additional notes. Put all the resources in the last part, so you can review them whenever you want. Third, we have the expressions. Here you can practice using flashcards, classify the phrases according to the situations, add additional notes by clicking on this button. Plus, you can add more new phrases you are learning in the common expressions section. To practice, you have 4 sections. The first is the listening. You can practice with songs, movies, and series. This is an example. Click here and you can write the original lyrics of the song and add the translation. Also, you can embed a video from YouTube, Spotify, or any other website. Additionally, you can see your progress about the series you are watching. For example, click on New Movie or Series and you can write your favorite phrases and the review. You can indicate a total of episodes and the current episode that you have already seen. Then you have the reading. It works very similar to the previous example. For the writing, this is more like make journaling. You can write here all your thoughts and the translation in Korean. For practice your speaking, you can add all the resources like podcasts, videos, etc. from different platforms. You can also add your favorite apps to practice Korean. In the Tools section, you will find quick links like Kim Se-young Institute website, so you can apply here to learn Korean language for free. They have different teaching modalities. If you want to know more, I will explain in another video. Then, we have the eBooks from Kim Se-young Institute. I choose the introductory book. You can find the version in different language. I choose the English version. Then click on View and you can read the book in a new window. It has so many pages. Read, learn, and practice. We have Papago, the most accurate translator when you want to translate from Korean to any other language. Then we have Mirine, a Korean sentence analyzer. You can listen and practice, but the most important part, it explains what each part of the sentence is, such as noun, suffix, particle, etc. There we have the notes. Write down all your to-do ideas here, and then classify them in your planner or in any other section where it corresponds. Underneath, you will find a widget where you can play music, change the background image, and add rain sound if you want. One of the most important sections is the planner. You have the monthly planner and the weekly planner view. You can add as many activities as you wish to practice the Korean language. Add a new activity is very easy. For example, if you want to listen in a song, just click here, write the name of the song, and add one that you already have in your gallery. Click and practice. It's the same for other activities. In this section, write down all the goals you wish to accomplish regarding your Korean language learning. Below is the Pomodoro widget. You can customize it, change the background, modify the timers and the sound. Finally, you can track your level of Korean here. This is an example if you study at Kim Se-young Institute. You can find here all the activities like classes, homework, learning, and survive section. You can classify in not started, in progress, and done. Everything will be reflected in the progress bar. All the activities corresponding to your level of Korean, such as classes, you can indicate the date and it will automatically appear in your planner. When you complete all the activities, the progress bar will show 100%. You can also indicate data such as your teacher's name and email. Customize this template according to the curriculum of the institute where you are studying Korean. You will find more details at the bottom of the template. Hope you like and enjoy it.